Hey guys, I finally did it. I got the light bulb that you will want if you want it for your recessed can lights in your house and your office, like I needed it for your sewing machine room, your drafting room, whatever like that. This is the light to have in your workshop. Look at this. It's finally, I've got bright light reaching 14 foot down from the ceiling up here. That's the light bulb right there. Now I'll compare it to, those are the old light bulbs, still yet there and there. This is the new one. Now if I follow this straight down, it's dim right here. You don't get that bright white down there on the floor. And if you come over here, align it to this one up here, straight down on my desk, and notice, so dark still. Doesn't really reach the floor very good. I'm just getting mainly outside light because it is still light out. So I'm going to go ahead, replace these other two, and we'll see how it looks. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in again today. As promised, I found another brighter light bulb for your recessed or can lights in your ceilings. And this one is probably 80% meant for outdoor lighting, spot lighting. Now it's got a, I believe I read, yeah, it's 40% floodlight radius. So it's gonna kind of be like a spot, but like I said, I have 14-foot high ceilings in here. So by the time it gets down 14 foot, that radius has spread very wide. So I wanted the lights to be near my desk height in the office here. That was what I wanted, that was my goal, and I think I've accomplished it here. Now I'm going to show you, I also got these extensions for these light bulbs, because I'm going to show you the light bulbs. They have a short neck on them right here. It's kind of short. So most can lightings, you can bring that socket down by loosening the wing nut on the side and lowering it. But in my case, I'm not going to fool with that. I'm very high up on this ladder. So I just bought these extensions. I bought two different ones. This is a shorter one. This will work. I've tried it out. But I like these longer ones too. And the reason I like the longer ones is you can angle them. So if I wanted one more at my desktop, I can angle it like that, see? Just screw in your light bulb here, and that will be coming out of your can light in the ceiling. So you'll be able to angle it wherever you want. So I'm going to put a couple in with these angle necks on there, and one with this. Stay tuned. I'm going to get the rest in here. Right now I've got the one in right above me, almost right behind me. So that's how you're watching me today. Better lighting without my green screen lighting. Guys, I'm so happy with these lights. I can finally see at this level. Look at this. If you take a look at my desk now, the light shines down on the desk, past the desk on the floor there. You can see by the shadow. And my calculator never worked. Solar calculator. I used to have to turn on the green screen lights before. These lights reach all the way down. Check out my note there. And all the way around the floor. On the floor, you can see total brightness. In this case, I could probably use my dimmer that I installed. In the last video, you saw me install that dimmer. But I couldn't use it because the lights weren't bright enough. My last set that I tried. These are the 250 watt night chasers. Now, if you read them, it says replaces a 250 watt incandescent type bulb. It's equivalent to, uses only 25 watts each. So all these together at full power up there is using 75 watts, equivalent between the three of them at 25 watts each. And let's try the dimmer on this. Echo, set the office lights to 25%.
Okay.
I think it's funny, but it's almost how the last set was. You can kind of see around the place, but it's darker, even with the daylight out. Echo, set the office lights to 50%.
Okay.
There we go. Echo, set the office lights to 100%.
Okay.
Nice. I can see where I'm walking now. I can see my tabletops when I'm using my 3D printer, all kinds of stuff. Find my supplies and everything up in the cabinets here. Everything is how I want it now. So guys, I'll leave the links below for all these products and the dimmer and everything that I put in the last video. I'll also leave that too. But I want to thank you guys for following me and checking out my channel. Every time you see a new video come on, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, so I can see you on the next one.